This is the plane's second part. First part already completed. In this video class I am going to complete the remaining all the concepts. Now, equation of the plane passing through two parallel lines. Equation of the plane passes through two parallel lines. Here, equation of the plane passing through two parallel lines. Here one line is there, two parallel lines, sorry. Here one more line is there. What about the equation of the line? Standard form. R bar is equal to A1 bar plus lambda B bar. And one more line, this one passing through the point B whose position vector A2 bar plus mu B bar. Here both are in the same direction, B bar vector direction. So this is the passing through the point A and this is the passing through the point B whose position vector here I have taken A1 bar, here I have taken A2 bar, and both are in the B bar vector direction. Now how to find the equation of the plane? You can take any one of the variable points. Now here you can see this is the variable point I have taken. Now here you can see AP bar, this is one of the vector. Here P be a point whose position vector R bar. AP bar and AB bar and B bar. Here AP bar and AB bar and B bar. All the three vectors are coplanar. If they are coplanar, its box is equal to 0. Determinant of AP bar, you can take that one. Here, this is the Cartesian form, vector form. How to get the Cartesian form? Here I am taking OP bar, that is equal to x, y, z, xik plus yjk plus zkk. A1 bar I am taking x1, y1, z1. And A2 bar I am taking x2, y2, z2. And R bar I am taking A, B, C. These are the. Now, here we are getting the equation of the plane. But here how to get equation of the plane in the Cartesian form? Here we can do one thing. After getting the simplification, we can do that one. Otherwise, here you can see, here no need to take the R bar. Here, passing through A2 bar A minus A1 bar, that is one of the vector. A2 bar minus A1 bar, that is one of the vector. And one more vector B bar is there. So the vector perpendicular to both A2 bar minus A1 bar and B bar, that is the normal ds of that plane. You can take any one of the points. Passing through point and the normal ds are given, we can write the equation of the plane. For example, ABC are the normal ds. ABC are the normal ds of a plane. A into x minus x1. Here you can take anything, either x1, y1, z1 or x2, y2, z2. A into x minus x1 plus b into y minus y1 plus c into z minus z1 equals to 0. This is the vector form, that is the Cartesian form or symmetric form we say. Next one, equation of the plane parallel to the given plane. See, if two planes are parallel, here normal ds only we can consider. Here normal ds. So what about these two? Both are having the same ds only. Both the ds are in same ratio also we can say. If two planes are parallel, here whatever we are taking the ds, normal ds of the first plane, here we can consider the normal ds of the second plane also same thing. Now equation of any plane, here R bar dot n bar, that is equal to D is there, R bar dot, this is the general form of the equation of the plane, R bar dot n bar, that is equal to D. That is the equation of the plane. Now equation of any plane, otherwise plus d is equal to 0 also we can write. equation of any plane parallel to this plane, that one we can write r bar dot n bar plus k is equals to 0. These two are differ by only constant term. Two parallel planes are differ by only constant term. Otherwise, if you want to write in the Cartesian form ax plus by plus cz plus d is equal to 0, equation of any plane parallel to this one, that is ax plus by plus cz plus k is equal to 0. So here these two are parallel planes only. They differ by only constant terms. Here, what about the ds of this one? ABC. ds of this one also ABC only. If two parallel lines, if two planes are parallel, their ds are in same ratio. Here, whatever we are taking, the same ds we can take for the parallel plane also. Here a small problem I have given. Find the equation of the plane passing through 3, 4, minus 1, which is parallel to the plane. Here parallel to this plane we can write r bar dot 2i cap minus 3j cap plus 5k cap plus k is equals to 0. These two are differ by only constant term. Here r bar, that is xi cap plus yj cap plus zk cap. So this one passes through the point. In the place of x, y, z, you can put 3, 4, minus 1. 3i cap plus 4j cap minus k cap dot 2i cap minus 3j cap plus 5k cap plus k, that is equal to 0. Otherwise, if you want, you can take lambda also. Here already k we are using to get a confusion. Without getting confusion, you can change the notation. Now what about the dot product of these two? 6 minus 12 minus 5 plus lambda is equal to 0. Lambda is equal to 11. Lambda is equal to 11. Replace lambda by 11. Therefore, equation of the plane parallel to the given plane plus 11 equals to 0. Otherwise, in the Cartesian form, how to do that one? Here, what is the equation? Here, in the place of r bar, you can take xi cap plus yj cap plus zk cap. Now, take the dot product. 2x minus 3y plus 5z plus 7 is there plus lambda equals to 0. Equation of any plane parallel to the given plane. That is, they differ by only constant term. This one passes through the point 3, 4, minus 1. Substitute and simplify. Here we can get lambda value 11. Replace the lambda value. Next, angle between two planes. Angle between two planes is defined as the angle between their normals. Here, one plane I am taking. This is the normal vector to the given plane, and one more I am taking. This is the normal to the given plane. So, angle between two planes is nothing but, here I am taking n1 bar, this is n2 bar. Angle between their normal ds. So, angle between two planes is nothing but angle between their normal ds. If two vectors are given, we know how to find the angle between two vectors. That is cos theta, that is equal to n1 bar dot n2 bar. In the dot product of vectors, we got this formula. Modulus of n1 bar into modulus of n2 bar. For example, find the angle between 2x plus y minus z, 2x plus y minus 2z plus 3 is equal to 0. That is one of the equation of the plane. And one more, r bar dot 632 is equal to 40. Here two planes are given. Here they are asking to find the angle between the two given planes only. One is given in the Cartesian form, another one they have given in the vector form. You can take anything. Here, what about n1 bar? X, y, z coefficients we say normal ds only. 2, 1, minus 2. And what about n2 bar? R bar dot n2 bar is equal to d. Whatever the general form of the equation of the plane, r bar dot n bar, that is equal to d only. Here I am taking n1 bar. Here I am taking r bar dot n2 bar, that is equals to d2. Here d1, that is d2. So angle between two planes is nothing but angle between their normal drs. So angle between two vectors, that is cos theta only. n2 bar, that is equals to 6, 3, 2, normal drs of the second plane. Now cos theta, that is equals to, what is the dot product of these two? 12 plus 3 minus 4 by modulus of this one 9. 2 square plus 1 square plus 2 square, 4 plus 4 plus 1, 9. Here how much we are getting? 36 plus 9 plus 4. So 12 plus 3, 11, 18. 12 plus 3 minus 4 upon 3 into this is 7, 49. Square root of 49, 7. Cos theta, that is equals to that one. Theta is equals to cos inverse 11 by 21. This is the angle between given two planes. Here they are asking line of intersection of two planes. For example, here you can take any one of the book. See, this is one of the plane, this is another plane, and the middle one, this is the line of intersection of given two planes only. Here I am taking these many papers. Here this is one plane, this side also one plane is there, this is also one plane. Through the line of intersection, how many planes are there? Infinite planes are there. This one we say family of planes. The equation of any plane, in the straight lines also we discussed that one. Equation of any line passes through the line of point of intersection of given two lines. Here L1 is equal to 0, here L2 is equal to 0. So equation of any line passes through the point of intersection of given two lines. There we can write L1 plus lambda L2, that is equal to 0. For different values of lambda, we can get different lines passes through the point of intersection of given two lines. Here also r bar dot n1 bar, that is equal to d1 bar, that is one of the equation of the plane, and r bar dot n2 bar, that is equal to d2 bar. Now equation of any plane, here what I am saying, line of intersection of two planes, line of intersection of two planes. Now here by observing this one, always we have to consider the normal ds of the plane only. For any plane, we have to consider the normal ds only. Those are the x, y, z coefficients only. Now this line of intersection, that one lies on the first plane, and that line of intersection lies on the second plane also. So that line of intersection is perpendicular to n1 bar. Why? Because that line of intersection lies on the first plane. That is the common line only. So that is perpendicular to the n1 bar and perpendicular to the n2 bar also. So the line, what about the direction of that one? That is perpendicular to both the n1 bar and n2 bar. So what is the vector perpendicular to both n1 bar and n2 bar? Their cross product only. n1 bar cross n2 bar. So the line of intersection of the two planes here we can say that is equal to n1 bar cross n2 bar. If any two planes are given, the line of intersection of the two planes, that is nothing but n1 bar cross n2 bar. Why? Because that is perpendicular to both n1 bar and n2 bar. Here what they are asking, find the angle between the lines. See here, two plane equations are given. How to get the line? See, by solving the two, that is the line of intersection only. Here two plane equations are given. This is one plane, this is another plane. So that is the line of intersection. Line of intersection. By equating the two planes, we can get a line of intersection only. Now here, that line of intersection, angle between the lines they are asking. The line of intersection, here what are the normal ds of this plane? n1 bar, that is 1 minus 3, 0, and n2 bar, that is equal to 0, 4, minus 1. Just before I told you that one. So that line of intersection, here two planes are given, that line of intersection, this line of intersection perpendicular to n1 bar, here normal ds of this plane n1 bar and normal ds of this one normal vector n2 bar. So this line, what is the direction of this line? In this vector direction. What about the vector direction? This is parallel to n1 bar cross n2 bar. That line of intersection is perpendicular to both n1 bar and n2 bar. So what is the vector perpendicular to both n1 bar and n2 bar? n1 bar cross n2 bar. So the line of intersection is parallel to n1 bar cross n2 bar. How to find n1 bar cross n2 bar? That is equal to determinant of I, j, k. 1 minus 3, 0. 0, 4 minus 1. That is equal to I into 3 minus j into minus 1 plus k into 4. So 3, 1, 4 we got. That is that line in this vector direction. Same way, here also find the ds of that line of intersection. There also what I am taking n3 bar. n3 bar that is equal to 1, 3, 0. n4 bar that is equal to 0, 2, minus 1. So n3 bar cross n4 bar. Determinant of I, j, k 1, 3, 0, 0, 2, minus 1. That is equal to I into minus 3 minus j into minus 1 plus k into 2. So minus 3, 1, 2 we got. Now this one I am taking A bar, this one I am taking B bar. These are the ds of that line of intersection of these two planes. These are the ds of the line of intersection of these two planes, and these are the ds of line of intersection of these two planes only. So here what they are asking, angle between the two lines. So angle between two lines is nothing but angle between their parallel ds. That is equal to cos theta, that is equal to dot product of these two, minus 9 plus 1 plus 8 upon root of modulus of this one 9 plus 1 plus 16, root of modulus of that one 9 plus 1 plus 4. Here how much we are getting? 0 we are getting. Cos theta 0 means theta is equal to 90 degrees. So both the line of intersection, here line of intersection of these two planes and the line of intersection of the two planes, both are perpendicular to each other. That's why here we got theta is equal to 90. Here listen, read the question properly. Find the point of intersection of the line passing through 0, 0, 1 and intersection of the lines. Intersection of the lines. Find the point of intersection of the line passing through 0, 0, 1 and intersection of the lines. See here, intersection of the line. Intersection of the line. This one and that one is given. So here what I am doing, find the equation of the plane. Find the equation of any plane passes through the line of intersection of given two planes. Here family of planes only. One plane is given, two planes are given, and previous I already showed you. Here two planes are there. This side and this side two planes are there. Here so many planes are there. All these planes passes through the line of intersection of given two planes. So family of planes we say equation of any plane passes through the line of intersection of given two planes. Here I can write x plus 2y plus z is equal to 1 minus 1 plus lambda into minus x plus y minus 2z minus 2, that is equal to 0. And one more plane x plus y minus 2 plus mu into x plus z minus 2, that is equal to 0. This is one of the plane, this is another plane. Now equation of the line. What is the equation of the line? If two planes are given, we can get the equation of the line also by equating these two planes only. X plus 2y plus z minus 1 plus lambda into minus x plus y minus 2z minus 2 is equal to 0. That is equal to x plus y minus 2 plus mu into x plus z minus 2, that is it. That one. Here, this is the equation of the line. So we have to find the point of intersection only. So that this is the required line, that one passing through the point 0, 0, 1. 0, 0, 1, here we can get by putting lambda is equal to 0, in the place of x, y, z you can put 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1 minus 1 0 only, plus lambda into 0, 0, 1, minus 2, minus 4, that is equal to 0. Here 1 minus 1 0 only, lambda is equal to 0 we are getting. And here also in the place of x, y, z you can put 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, x plus y, that is minus 2 plus mu into 1 minus 2, that is equal to 0. So mu is equal to how much we are getting here, minus 1 minus 2 I think. Mu is equal to minus 2. Lambda is equal to 0 and mu is equal to minus 2. Then hence the equation of the line is, by putting a lambda is equal to 0, how much we are getting here? X plus 2y plus z minus 1 equals to 0. X plus 2y plus z minus 1 equals to 0. That is equal to, here put mu is equal to minus 2 and simplify that one. Here we can get minus x plus y minus 2z plus 2, that is the required equation of the line. So write down in the symmetric form. How to do this one? Previous also I told you, let z is equal to lambda. Let z is equal to lambda. So here x plus 2y, that is equal to 1 minus lambda. Here minus x plus y, that is equal to 2 lambda minus 2. By adding these two, we are getting 3y, that is equal to lambda minus 1. So 3y minus plus 1, that is equal to lambda. We got lambda y value. Next, how to get here 3y we got, how to get x by subtracting second relation by eliminating y value. X plus 2y, that is equal to 1 minus lambda. Next, this one I am multiplying with 2. Minus 2x plus 2y, that is equal to 4 lambda minus 4. By subtracting, this is 3x, 2x plus x, 3x. These two gets cancelled, that is equal to minus 5 lambda plus 5. So 3x minus 5 by minus 5, that is equal to lambda. So here I got x, y, z values. Now we are getting that line passing through the point. Here x value how much I got? Here all are lambda only, z equals to lambda I have taken. So 3x minus 5 by 5, that is equal to lambda, that is equal to 3y plus 1, that is equal to z. All are equal to lambda 1. So all the three ratios are same. From these two terms I am taking here x equals to, if I take a 3 common, x minus 5 by 3 by 5, that is equal to, if I take a 3 common, y plus 1 by 3 upon 1, that is equal to z by 1. Now this one I can write 5 by 3. Here also I can write 1 by 3. Here minus 5 is there. Here minus 5 is there. So x value here x equals to 5 by 3, x equals to 5 by 3. This one passes through the point. These are the drs only. So x minus x1, y minus y1, z minus z1, minus 1 by 3, comma 0. With xy in the xy plane, z coordinate should be 0 only. So that is the point of intersection 5 by 3 minus 1 by 3, 0. Here what they are asking, find the equation of the plane passing through the points. Here 2 points are given, minus 1, 1, 1 and one more 1 minus 1, 1. Passing through these 2 points and perpendicular to the plane, perpendicular to one more plane. So if here this is n1 bar, this is n2 bar. Normal ds of the required plane n1 bar I am taking, and normal ds of the second plane I am taking n2 bar. So n2 bar, that is given 1, 2, 2. 1, 2, 2. Those are the normal ds of the second plane. Both are perpendicular. So if these two planes are perpendicular, n1 bar is perpendicular to n2 bar. And here the normal ds of this plane is not given, but only that plane passing through 2 points are given. Here I am taking normal ds of this plane, I am taking ABC. What is the vector passing through these 2 points? Otherwise, what are the ds of a line, ds of a vector passing through these 2 points? x2 minus x1. ds of that vector passing through 2 points, x2 minus x1 to y2 minus y1, z2 minus z1. This is this vector lies on the plane, and normal ds what I have taken ABC. So both are perpendicular only. So the dot product of this ds should be equal to 0. 2a minus 2b, that is equal to 0. So here we are getting a is equal to b. And one more thing, these two planes are perpendicular. So here n1 bar is perpendicular to n2 bar. So the dot product of these two also should be equal to 0 only. A plus 2b plus 2c, that is equal to 0. Otherwise you can keep like that only, a minus b equals to 0. Whenever we get two relations in ABC, by using the cross multiplication type only, you can start with the b coefficient, a minus b plus 0 into c, that is equal to 0. Here b coefficient what is there? Minus 1, 0, 1, minus 1. End with the b coefficient again. Start with the b coefficient, end with the b coefficient only. 2, 2, 1, 2. This is a, this is b, this is c. A by product of these two, minus 2, this is 0. B by 0 minus 2, c by 2 plus 1. So a by minus 2, b by minus 2, c by minus 3. Otherwise here you can take a 2, 2 minus c by 3. So what are the ds of this one? I am taking a 2, 2 minus 3. And passing through any point you can take, out of these two you can take any point. This one I am taking. This one x1, y1, z1, these are the ABC only. A into x minus x1, this one I am taking x1, y1, z1. You can take anything, no problem, we can get the same result only. Plus b into, plus 2 into y minus y1, plus c into minus 3 into z minus 1 equals to 0. Simplify that one, we can get the equation of the plane. Next one, find the equation of the plane containing the line. Containing the line, here line is there. That one passing through the point minus 1, 3, minus 2, and that is parallel to the vector b bar, that is equal to minus 3, 2, 1. In this vector direction that line is there. And find the equation of the plane containing this line, and one more point also there, 0, 7, minus 7. This one I am taking A, this one I am taking B. So here passing through that point, what is the vector passing through these 2 points, AB bar? That is equal to x2 minus x1, y2 minus y1, z2 minus z1. And here points are given, 2 points are, we know that one. This is one of the vector and b bar, that is another vector. So what is the vector perpendicular to both a b bar and b bar? That is normal ds only. A b bar cross b bar. We can get the normal ds. A b bar cross b bar. Determinant of I, j, k. A b bar 1, 4 minus 5. B bar minus 3, 2, 1. If I expand that one, I cap into 4 plus 10 minus j cap into 1 minus 15 plus k cap into 2 plus 12. So here 14, 14, 14. These are the normal ds. We can take 1, 1, 1 also. Simplest form you can take. And passing through any point you can take. This one if I take a into x minus x1 plus b into abc are the normal ds of this plane only. B into y minus y1 plus c into z plus 2, that is equal to 0. And simplify that one, we can get the equation of the plane. Next one, find the distance of the point 382 from the line. Here distance. Here one line equation is given. This is the line equation only. We want the distance from that point P382. In this measured parallel to the plane in this plane direction. Here in that direction. Here one plane is there, in that direction we want a distance from that point to this line. Now here this line and this plane both are parallel. Both are parallel means here always we can consider the ds, normal ds of the plane only. So here n1 bar, n bar, n bar normal ds always perpendicular to PQ only. Now here you can take any point on this Q, parametric equations you can take. All these are equals to lambda, x equals to 2 lambda plus 1, 2 lambda plus 1, 4 lambda plus 3, 3 lambda plus 2. Any point on this line. Now here you can see what are the normal layers of this plane. N bar is equal to 3, 2 minus 2. Now find both are perpendicular to each other. Now find the ds of this one. Whatever the ds of a vector passing through 2 points x2 minus x1, 2 lambda minus 2, 4 lambda minus 5, 3 lambda dot 3, 2 minus 2, that is equal to 0. Simplify that one, we can get lambda value. After getting the lambda value, here you can substitute that lambda value. Here you can get the coordinates only. Then find the distance between 2 points under square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square plus z2 minus z1 whole square. You can complete the calculation part. Here what they given, find the distance of the point 1, 0 minus 3 from the plane. Here one plane equation is given, x minus y minus z, that is equal to 9. We want the distance from the point to this plane. Here I am taking P1, 0 minus 3. This one I am taking Q. In what direction? In this line direction. Here one more line is given. What about that one? This is the line equation. That is the line equation. So what are the ds of this one? B bar, that is equal to 2, 3, 6. That is in the symmetric form. X minus x1 by a, that is equal to y minus y1 by b equals to z minus z1 by c. 2, 3, 6, those are the ds. So here what are the ds? These two are parallel. So their ds are in the same ratio. Here also ds are same only, 2, 3, 6. Then what is the equation of this line? Equation of that line. X minus x1 by a. Here x1, y1, z1. This line passes through the point x1, y1, z1 and parallel ds are given. That is equal to y minus y1 by b. That is equal to z minus z1. This is minus 3 plus 3 by 6. Take any point on that line. Take any point on that line. That one you can consider Q only. So here what we are getting? 2 lambda plus 1, 3 lambda, 6 lambda minus 3. Where is that point? Q is the point of intersection of the line and the plane. So this point lies on this plane only. X minus y minus z equals to 9. So in the place of x, y, z you can replace that values. 2 lambda plus 1 minus a 3 lambda minus 6 lambda plus 3, that is equals to 9, and simplify this one. Here we can get lambda value. That lambda value here you can substitute. This is the key point we are getting. Then you can find the distance between these 2 points by using the formula under square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square plus z2 minus z1 whole square. Here angle between a line and a plane. Find the angle between a line and a plane. This one I am taking theta, and this is the normal ds. Here parallel ds of the plane I am taking b bar. This is n bar. So angle between the line and the plane is nothing but angle between the normal ds and the parallel ds of that line. What about this one? See here, this is a normal to the vector plane only. Normal ds, this is always a normal to the plane. Here if I take this angle theta, what about this one? 90 minus theta. Now what about angle between b bar and a bar, n bar? Cos theta, we know that one. Here in the place of theta, 90 minus theta is there. Cos 90 minus theta is equal to n bar dot b bar by modulus of n bar into modulus of b bar. Cos 90 minus theta, that is nothing but sin theta. Sin theta is equal to n bar dot b bar by modulus of n bar into modulus of b bar. If any line, to find the angle between a line and a plane, we can use the sin theta. How to get sin theta? By using like this one, we can get sin theta. Sin theta is equal to same only, angle between n bar dot b bar by. Find the angle between the line. Here vector form is given 1 2 minus 1 I cap plus 2j cap minus k cap plus lambda into 1 minus 1 1, 1 minus 1 1. And the plane equation what they given? R bar dot n bar, that is equal to d only, standard form of the equation of the plane. 2 minus 1 1, that is equal to 4 is given. So here what are the parallel ds of the line? 1 minus 1 1, this one you can consider b bar, and normal ds of the plane, this is n bar. So sin theta is equal to, in this formula you can substitute n bar dot b bar. So that is equal to 2 plus 1 by modulus of n bar root of 4 plus 1 plus 1 6, 1 plus 1 plus 1 3. 2 3 4, 4 by 3 root 2 here. That sin theta. Theta is equal to sin inverse of. Next one. Find the equation of the plane which contains the line of intersection of the planes. What is the meaning of that one? That plane passes through the equation of any plane, family of planes I told you already. These are the family of planes, passes through the line of intersection of given two planes. This is one plane, this is another plane. All these are the passes through the line of intersection of given two planes only. So x plus y plus z minus 6 plus lambda into another plane you can write 2x plus 3y plus 4z plus 5, that is equal to 0. That is the equation of the any plane passes through the line of intersection of given two planes only. How to get the lambda value? One condition should be given. This plane passes through the point 1 1 1. In the place of x y z you can put 1 1 1 and simplify. Here we can get lambda value. That lambda value you can replace in that maybe here we can get lambda value 3 by 14 I think. 3 by 14. Substitute here and simplify that one. We can get the equation of the plane 20x plus 23y plus 26z minus 69, that is equal to 0. This is the equation of the plane passing through the line of intersection of the given two planes. And here only I will explain the perpendicular distance from any point you can take here to the plane. Plane equation is given. The perpendicular distance we want. Here plane equation ax plus by plus cz plus d is equal to 0 is given. In the straight lines whatever we did, here also we can do the same thing, but here some extension is there. Whatever that one, d is equal to modulus of ax1 plus by1 plus cz1 plus d by root of a square plus b square plus c square. Thank you. In the next class, we can discuss the objective questions, different model questions. Until then, bye.